Hey everyone, welcome back to channel today. I've got something really exciting for you. Imagine being able to turn simple text or even your regular photos into stunning, high-quality AI-generated images. All for free. Sounds amazing, right? Well, meet Vheer.com, a powerful 100% free and unlimited online AI image generator. Whether you want to create visuals just by typing a prompt, transform existing images into new styles, or apply artistic filters that make your photos look like paintings, cartoons, or even Lego characters, Vheer has it all in one place. No watermarks, no hidden fees, no limitations, just pure creativity at your fingertips. In this video, I'll give you a full walkthrough of how to use each feature, including text to image to image, and AI style transfer. So if you're a content creator, artist, social media designer, or just curious about what AI can do, this one's for you. Let's get started. First, log in to your account. At the top, you'll find different categories in the menu bar like. Let's start by trying the text-to-image feature first. This allows you to generate images just by typing a simple description. You can turn any idea or concept into stunning AI artwork within seconds. And it's completely free and unlimited. So first, I'm going to enter my prompt in this box. This is where you describe what kind of image you want the AI to create. Then select the quality, model, and adjust the aspect ratio depending on how I want the final image to look. Now just click Generate to create the image. As you can see, the output perfectly matches the prompt I entered, super accurate, and ready to download with a single click. Now I'm going to generate another image. This time, I've entered a new prompt and also changed the aspect ratio to get a different layout. Once everything's set, I'll click Generate again. Absolutely stunning! The AI nailed it again. Now I'll generate the same image with the Pro model, giving it sharper details, better textures, and a more professional look. Let's see the result. Wow! The Pro model has completely transformed the image. Sharper lines, richer colors, and incredible detail. It looks absolutely stunning. Now I'll enter another prompt. Select the aspect ratio and hit Generate. Let's see what magic it creates this time. Now I'll generate the same prompt using the Pro model, unlocking richer colors, sharper details, and a truly next-level professional look. Notice the clear difference. The Pro model adds vibrant colors, crisp details, and a sleek, professional touch. Alright, now let's move on to the image-to-image feature. With this tool, I can upload any photo, and the AI will transform it into a completely new version, while keeping the original pose and structure intact. Let's try it out. I've uploaded an image. First, click the Generate Prompts Automatically button. This will instantly analyze your image and generate a detailed prompt describing it, including colors, objects, and style. Once the prompt appears, you can make any changes or tweaks you want, like adjusting colors, adding elements, or changing the style, before hitting Generate for your final image. This looks really good. Not only did the background change exactly as I wanted, but the image itself also got a nice upgrade. The colors and details are even better now. It feels more polished and visually appealing. I'm definitely downloading this one, dude. Here's another try. You can see I uploaded an image and clicked the Generate Prompts Automatically button. It instantly created a prompt for me. And the best part is you can edit or customize it. Before clicking Generate, create the final image. Wow! After generating, the result looks absolutely amazing. Crisp details, vibrant colors, and a perfectly balanced composition. The AI really brought the image to life. Alright, now let's check out another really useful feature, the background remover. This tool is perfect if you want to isolate a subject from an image. You can remove backgrounds from up to 20 images at once, fast, accurate, and fully automated. It keeps fine details intact and even lets you customize or replace backgrounds, making it perfect for product shots, portraits, and bulk edits. You can see I've uploaded 3 images at once, and Vheer will remove all their backgrounds together in just seconds. As soon as it's uploaded, I just click on the Remove Background button. And that's it. The AI instantly detects the subject and removes the background with amazing precision. And the cool thing is, after removing the background, you can replace it with any color you want. Super flexible and easy to customize. And the best part, it's completely free with no watermarks or limitations. Once you're happy with the result, you can download the transparent PNG and use it anywhere. Now let's move on to another fun and creative feature, AI Style Transfer. This tool allows you to completely change the look of your photo by applying different artistic styles with just one click. First, I'll upload a photo and then choose a style from the list. You've got options like cartoon, Lego, painting, anime, sketch, and many more. Once I pick a style, before generating the image, you can also choose the aspect ratio, which controls the shape and size of your final image. Now I'll click on Generate. Wow! The result is stunning. AI Style Transfer turned the photo into a vibrant, professional-looking artwork. Now I'll run the same image in the Pro model, using the same style. Wow! The Pro model made the same image look even more amazing, sharper lines, richer colors, and a flawless, high-quality finish. Now I'm uploading another image, selecting the Pro model and hitting Generate to see a high-quality, professional result. AI Style Transfer. You can apply your image to any style you like, whether it's Pixar, oil painting, comic, or many more. The Pro model enhances each style with sharper details, richer colors, and a smooth, professional finish. The results are truly stunning, turning ordinary photos into eye-catching works of art. Whether you're designing content, creating avatars, or just having fun, this feature gives you endless possibilities. And of course, it's all free, with no watermarks and unlimited usage. And that was a complete walkthrough of Vheer, a powerful and totally free AI image generator, packed with features like text-to-image, image-to-image, background remover, and AI style transfer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome AI tools and tutorials. I've dropped the link to Vheer in the description below. Feel free to explore it and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.